This is JEE main problems. March 2021. Okay. Shift 1. Right. So see here, question number 1. That is, I'm taking physics sequence. Okay. Heat and work are. How is the question? See, heat and work are. Option number A, extensive variables. Extensive variables. Option number B, intensive variables. Intensive variables. Option C, path functions. And option D, point functions. Point functions. Okay. So see here how to solve this. Theoretical question. So see, if you have learned what we can say heat and thermodynamics, there we have learned the yes Rija, path functions. Yes. Why? Because there in thermodynamics we have learned heat and work are depend on path followed. That's why these all means particularly heat and work are path functions. Okay, clear? Next question. Question number 2. On what factor stopping potential is depend for photoelectric effect? Okay, what is the question? On what factor stopping potential depends for photoelectric effect? Okay, on what factor it is depend, he is asking. तो अगर आप देखोगे तो फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट किस पे डिपेंड होता है रे? बोलो बोलो, किस पे डिपेंड होता है? फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ इंसिडेंट फोटोन, है ना? आपको पता है ना ये इक्वेशन, h nu naught minus h nu is equal to ev. Okay, and if we will see the stopping potential, that is this p, we can say you transfer this e here, p is equal to h by e into nu naught minus h by e into nu. Okay, so you see here, यहाँ पे h nu minus h nu naught करना पड़ेगा, है ना? ये आपको h nu minus h nu naught आएगा. Yes, no? Yes, right? हाँ, तो अब देखो यहाँ पे जो स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल है ये किस पे डिपेंड होगा? फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ इंसिडेंट फोटोन, दैट इज न्यू, वी कैन से. दिस इज थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी, दिस इज न्यू, सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ इंसिडेंट फोटोन, है ना? और इंसिडेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी वी कैन से. Incident frequency, that is nu. Okay, right? Okay, next question. Question number 3. This is little bit interesting from electrostatic, that is potential and capacitance. The next question. So I'm taking it on next page.
Sir, one's previous page.
Yes.
Okay. Sir.
Now see the next question. This is from, what we can say, electrostatic potential and capacitance. A dielectric slab, a dielectric slab of dielectric constant K dielectric constant K of thickness 3d/4 is introduced is introduced in a capacitor of capacitance C of capacitance C of plate separation D. Plate separation D. The final capacitance will be the final capacitance will be, okay, the final capacitance will be, okay. How to find this now? Listen carefully. How to solve this question? First, I will draw the diagram. Listen carefully. In the first case, naturally, is there anything between the two plates of capacitor? No. So first capacitor is like this. First capacitor is like this. Okay. And the plate separation between these is small d. Okay. Plate area is how much, Ray? A, suppose. This is positive plate. This is negative plate, we can. And here we know formula is what, Ray? Epsilon naught A by D. Initial case. In the next case, what we are doing now? We are inserting one dielectric slab of thickness, how much? 3d by 4. So let us assume that we have placed some plate like this, something like this. Okay, introduced in between the plates of the capacitor, whose thickness is how much they have given, 3d by 4, and this is obviously d only, है ना, as usual, means as in the previous case. And dielectric constant is K. Area is same, A and A. This is positive plate as usual. This is suppose negative plate. Okay, now what is the formula for dielectric slab? C dash is equal to, follow, epsilon naught A divided by D minus T plus T by K. Can you do it yourself now? Just substitute T is equal to 3D by 4 and do it yourself. And tell me the answer fast within 2 minutes. Do it fast yourself. Do it now. Yes, solve yourself fast. Can you do it? Yes, Aviram, can you do it?
Sir,
Shreya, are you doing? Rija,
Yes, sir. Doing.
jitni karo. This is equal to epsilon naught A divided by D minus 3D by 4 plus 3D by 4K, है ना? Right? चेक करो, सही है क्या? एलसीएम ले लो सबका. This is equal to epsilon naught A divided by 4D minus 3D divided by 4 plus 3D by 4K. Epsilon naught A divided by, this is how much, D by 4 plus 3D by 4K. Okay. So this is equal to how much? Karo. Or else D by 4 shall I take outside from denominator? Can I check it once? So if I will take d by 4 outside, then it is 1 plus 3 by k. So this 4 will go up, 4 epsilon naught a by d, and this is k plus 3 divided by k. So this is 4 k epsilon naught a, this k will go up, divided by k plus 3 into d. Yes? And now this epsilon naught a by d is nothing but what? C. So what you are getting? C dash is equal to 4kc divided by k plus 3. This is what your answer is. Okay. Yes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to the next question? Okay. Shall I go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question you see. A bar magnet of length 14 centimeter. A bar magnet of length 14 centimeter and is kept in a magnetic field of magnetic field of 0.4 Gauss. 0.4 Gauss. Net magnetic field at a distance. Net magnetic field at a distance 18 centimeter from the center of magnet is 0. Magnetic moment in SI unit is what he is asking. Magnetic moment in SI units is, see figure. They have given one figure also. I am drawing here. See. So they have given one bar magnet like this, and this is minus M and this is plus M. Means obviously this is north pole, this is south pole, we can say, hai na? And this is center of the magnet. So from this point, 18 centimeter point, okay, somewhere here. They are saying that magnetic field B is equal to 0 at this point. So this distance is how much? 18 centimeter. What is that? 18 centimeter. Okay, right? तो हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट फाइंड आउट करना है. यस नो? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट रे? कैपिटल M, है ना? What is that? Capital M. And we have one formula, that is P axial is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2 mx by x square minus L square whole square. That I will tell you. Before, let me write what are the given things here. Now, see. The length of magnet is given. It means what? 2L is given. है ना? 2L. 2L is how much? 14 centimeter. So I am converting it into meter. 14 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. L is equal to 14 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 2. So this is equal to 7 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Is that clear? Understood? Yes. L we got. Next. X is how much here? X means the distance from the center. So X is given, that is 18 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay, X also we have. Next. Magnetic field they have given, that is axial. How much it is? How much? B is equal to 0.4 Gauss. We have to convert into Tesla. So 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. Okay? Right. अब हम क्या करेंगे? सब कुछ है अपने पास. L है, X है, B है. Okay. और एक, you know this also ना? Mu naught by 4 pi is equal to how much? 10 power minus 7. Now let's go to the formula. So B axial mu naught by 4 pi into 2 capital M X divided by x square minus L square whole square, है ना? क्या आप कर सकते हो सब्स्टिट्यूट करके? We have to find capital M. So let's substitute the values. 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to 10 power minus 7 into 2 into M into X is how much? 18 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by x square. X square कितना है? X square कितना है बोलो? 18 है ना? 18 square आएगा, है कि नहीं? Okay. So substitute करो. 18 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square minus L square means 7 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square, and this complete square. Clear hai? Yes? Can you do it now yourself? Can you do it yourself? Please tell. So this I can write as a 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to minus 7 minus 2 is 10 power minus 9 into 36 m divided by 324 minus 49, and this is what? And this is what here? I am taking 10 power minus 4 outside. 10 power minus 4, and this is whole square. Okay? So this is equal to कितना आता है देखो, करो. 324 minus 49. Do it from here now. Do it at least. From here you can do it yourself. यस, करोगे क्या यहाँ से?
सर 2.88
हाँ
2.88 sir.
2.88 कंप्लीट आंसर। हाँ कैपिटल एम।
Yes sir.
ऑप्शन तो नहीं है रे।
2.88 joules per.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऑप्शन नहीं है, एक बार चेक करो, चेक करो एक बार।
10 power is there sir still.
नहीं नहीं, 10 power is also not there. What you got answer? Tell me. Which one you are telling? This subtraction or total answer?
Total answers.
Total answer is 0.84.
Okay.
Check करो। ये कितना आएगा? 275 है ना, तो ये 36 इंटू 10 पावर -9 m 4 into 10 to the power -5 divided by 275 into 275 into 10 to the power -8। अब ये कैंसिल करो, ये यहाँ पे -1, ये -1 गया तो ये -4 है ना, और बाद में 4 into 275 into 275 into 10 to the power -4 divided by 36 is equal to capital M। ओके, अब करो, देखो कितना आता है। यस, आपको आ रहा है 8402.7 into 10 to the power -4 is equal to m, and therefore if you will shift this, capital M is equal to 0.84 ampere meter square। check it, this is what your answer is। understood? करो, देखो, solve करो yourself। check करो। यस, क्लियर है? जल्दी करो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। रेडी? फिनिश्ड?
Yes sir.
हाँ, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो। A constant force F, next question, a constant force F is applied on a block, constant force F is applied on a block at an angle theta with horizontal, at an angle theta with horizontal as shown in figure. As shown in figure. The coefficient of friction is given to be mu. The coefficient of friction given to be mu. Find the acceleration of the block. Find the acceleration of block. This is what the question is. Now see here, this is a block in the diagram given, right? And this is what force it is applied with angle theta, that is with horizontal. Okay, this is F. And this one is surface, let us suppose. And in between there is a friction, and coefficient of friction is mu in between this surface and block, right? So let's draw the free body diagram now. Let's start solving. FBD of block. Free body diagram of a block. I am assuming that this block is a point object. So now this side you are having F, okay, and this is what its horizontal component. Then again this is what vertical component. Then again this is what weight, which is acting in the downward direction, and one more component, that is normal reaction, which will act in the opposite direction, that is upward direction. One left, that is what frictional force, where it will be, frictional force will be this side, opposite to the motion. So this is what F, listen carefully, this is theta, so this will become F cos of theta, this is F sine of theta, this is normal reaction, this is its weight mg, and here it is frictional force, that is I am denoting with F. Okay, so first you see from this diagram I can calculate F sine theta plus n is equal to mg, and therefore n is equal to mg minus F sine of theta. Okay, so I got n. Now frictional force F is equal to, mu into n. So this is mu into mg minus F sine of theta. This is what your frictional force. Now the block is, let us suppose, moving like this. This is mass m, here this point object means mass m. Now for horizontal motion, you see, if I will see the, or I will make the equation, what I will get, F cos of theta minus F is equal to ma. So I want A, so F cos theta I am substituting as it is, minus small f is, I got mu mg minus mu F sine of theta I have multiplied is equal to ma. Okay, right now. Okay, so see what I am doing. I am dividing throughout with m. So what I will get, F by m cos of theta minus mu g minus mu F by m sine of theta is equal to A. Now just take F by m outside. So what you will get, F by m cos theta minus mu sine of theta minus mu g is equal to A. This is what your answer is. Okay, understood? You can do it very easily. Okay, understood? Check karo ek baar. Everything is right. Here you should get plus na. Yes, no. Here you should get plus, right? This should be plus. Check karo. Yes, no. This minus minus will become plus ना. हाँ, तो यहाँ पे प्लस आना चाहिए, एक बार चेक करो, राइट? यस नो? हाँ, ये माइनस एफ है ना, माइनस मीन्स दिस विल बिकम प्लस. यस, राइट. ओके,